What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you all of my pamper and skincare and just like my weekly glow up, my maintenance. I don't have an expensive maintenance to keep up. Part of that is because I am scared to get waxed. If I got waxed, then that will be like, I kind of just use the same routine. Tomorrow I have an appointment to get my lips done, and it is by a new doctor that I've actually been trying to book for like a whole year now. She really achieves the Cupid's bow the way I want, and she does really good work. I used to have such a really small top lip. It was kind of insecurity. My lipstick used to never stay on my lips because I had like no border. Girl, the mustache is mustaching. I gotta take this off. I tried to take a selfie yesterday. All I seen was my mustache. Like, it's so bad. So I gotta take that off because I need my lips to be perfect. I don't need her to see no hair right there. I'm gonna just shave my face because I realize that a lot of times when I don't shave my face, I start getting a lot of acne. I guess because of the dirt and stuff is clinging to the hair. I'm gonna be doing that today. So I'm gonna be taking this, this is a cleansing oil. I'm gonna use this as a face oil because I like to use face oils when I shave my face. Sometimes, like if I use nothing, I will break out from that. I have to use an oil because I have really dry skin. Slather it on. Yeah. Also, I'm using the Tatcha Pure One Step Camellia Cleansing Oil. People usually use like the one blade eyebrow razors, but sometimes that breaks me out. So I'm not gonna use that today. This is what I usually use to comb my mustache. This is what I usually use to shave my mustache. This is a new razor, as you can see. Okay, I'm gonna use a razor for this part because I like using razors for this part. But I'm just gonna go down. Look at all that damn hair. Ooh. You never know how much hair you actually have on your face until like you start shaving it off. There's still some more right here, I feel like. See? I knew it was some right there. I knew it. I just washed my face. Look how brighter my face looks. And I always use paper towels to dry my face because, wow. Guys, I didn't expect it to feel this soft though. Like, my skin just feels so much softer. Sometimes I know when my skin needs like help, and it's usually I need to shave my face or I need to do a face mask, which I have my Holy Grail face mask that could cure me from literally, I don't really get bumps, but if I like have a whole bunch of dry patches or just like anything, as soon as I put the face mask on, literally I could take it off and it's gone. No mustache. Oh my god, my face feels so soft. So I actually am gonna laminate my brows. I always buy it off of Amazon. I'm gonna just use this because it just works pretty good. I actually really like how this kit works because I used a different one before and I did not like it at all. I remember one time I let it sit so long that I literally had bruises. I'm such a dumbass. So soft. So I'm finished my little skincare. Tomorrow I have to get up early. My appointment is at 11. Just chill today and just get ready for tomorrow. I can't really vlog in here because they're playing NBA Young. I'm in like a waiting room. I gotta get on a call with a doctor to clear me.
Faith exam, if that's okay with you.
Okay, sure.
If you can verify your name and date of birth for me. Okay, perfect. You're approved for the Juvederm for a full year. Thank you for your time and have a good day.
Thank you. So I'm gonna put this on, this headband, because I hate when I Because I hate when like I'm getting my lips done and the like camera be all up in my scalp, and I didn't do my baby hair today. I can't really vlog you guys because the music. Because I know you're really good with the Cupid's bow, so that's what I want to focus on.
And obviously you're not pregnant, breastfeeding, right? Do you take any kind of medication?
No.
Now go ahead and give me a kissy face. Push your lip forward. You were right. Those are the Cupid's bow. Do that again. A little bit more. I think, yep. Your right side pulls in faster. Okay, this is going to make you swollen. We're going to do half syringe on the top lip. 1, 2, 3.
So you guys, I just got home. Don't mind my baby hairs, of course. So this is what my lips look like so far. So remember, I only got this area right here where my finger, the point of my finger is pointed, right here. I didn't get on the sides, and I didn't get my bottom done. So they are pretty swollen. I can't really talk like that. But the Cupid's bow is looking really good. I really like her work. And then I also got a little tiny bit of filler right here, like just like, oh my god, you can feel it. Oh my god. So it is pretty swollen. So far I really like it, and it's really cute. Good morning, you guys. So I just woke up, and I woke up pretty late today. Oh my god, you guys, last night I was trying this new iced coffee that I have. I just bought the Starbucks iced coffee, and because I don't know, I think somebody told me to buy it. I had tried this one at first, and it is not good. Like, I actually gotta throw this out. I don't like it. So I tried the vanilla iced coffee by Starbucks, and oh my gosh, so freaking good. And all I do is use it with this creamer. This is my favorite creamer. It was so good. So I tried it last night, and I literally like I had like a foodgasm, literally. I stayed up. I was up all night because of that damn coffee. I was so cranky and tired though. I want to throw this blanket a little different. I love this color, like this rusted orange. I love it. My little Cupid's bow is so swollen. Oh my god, you guys, like it's like crazy, but I love it. I love my Cupid's bow. It's so sharp now, but it's so swollen. Like, it looks crazy. Yeah, I don't understand. I love coffee so much. Like, it just makes my day. You see how cloudy it is outside? My day is literally about to be so sunny. Like, this looks crazy. But I got a few new mugs yesterday. I got this one from Target. I also have this one in New York. So I got a whole bunch of other stuff to like unpack, because I got a lot of stuff for like holiday decorations, like pumpkins and stuff. We're having some company this weekend, so I'm like, you know what, let me like decorate a little bit. I'm really in like the season. Like I'm feeling really festive. I'm not sure why the fuck there's a fork in it. They're dumb as hell. I doubt it though. But why does it look like that? Let me see something. Nobody used that, but this is a new one I got too. I just want to decorate, you know, make it cuter. Guys, so today I'm doing my hair. I think I'm gonna put in my 40-inch weave. I'm so bored with black hair, you guys. I might be a little ashy, but like I want to do colored hair, but I don't want to do colored hair because I have too many outfits that I want to wear this week, and they don't all go with the colored hair. And why is it so damn small? Oh my god, I'm so indecisive right now, y'all. Look how dirty the lace is. I'm about to do my hair. I'm at a point where I gotta do my own hair because you just can't trust these hairstylists anymore. They're very unprofessional. And the last hairstylist literally did not show up. Like, I had a whole photo shoot. She just didn't show up. She was supposed to show up the day before to do my hair. She kept saying, oh, can I come? She literally asked me, can she come at 4 a.m.? Mind you, it was already 1 a.m. and I didn't get any sleep because she told me she was coming at 1 a.m. But before that, she was actually supposed to come at 5 p.m. So she just kept pushing back a time. So she asked, it was so crazy, you guys. Like, so I just made it my mission to do my own damn hair. I have to learn all the tips and tricks. These Instagram hairstylists, I'm done. Like, done. I pay top dollar to get my hair done, plus tip, plus an Instagram shout out. Okay, I give. My nails used to cost like $400, and then I tipped and posted just because. So it just feels like a smack in the face when like you hire these Instagram hairstylists and you give them like shout outs, they start getting all these clients, and then like they can't show up for you anymore, and they basically just spit in your face and say, fuck you, bitch. Like, a lot of people get their hairstylists from other people posting and tagging, you get what I'm saying? So a lot of my Instagram friends would use the hairstylists that I use because I posted them and tagged them, and I'm giving them clientele, celebrity clientele, and they're literally like smacking me in the damn face. Like, wow, really? So I'm over it, you know, I'm over it. I'm doing my own damn hair, and I'm wearing my press-ons. I'm not going to nobody else. The only person I go to is just for my toes, and that's just a regular nail salon. I'm trying to think if I want to do like layers, because this don't have no damn layers. Like, this shit is just straight, and I don't like that. I did want to do a bang, but I don't think a blonde bang would look good. I think that'd look pretty weird. Whew, child. So this is how my hair ended up looking. So I did my hair. The goal was to do like the Dominican blowout look. Okay, I'm from New York, so in New York they do like this blowout look, and it just be looking so amazing. It's called the Dominican blowout. I don't know, that's what everybody refers to them as. So yeah, this is my hair. This is the nails. I put them on, if you can see. This is the nails. I just finished making a fashion history video, so I just finished filming, and I'm really excited about it because I'm really excited to be back, you know, filming and just, you know, trying to be on my grind. I hope you guys enjoyed this maintenance vlog, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you guys subscribe, comment, and like, and I'll see you in the next video.